Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Drillbrush Kit is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market in recent years. This versatile cleaning system attaches to your power drill, transforming it into a high-powered scrubbing machine. Whether you're tackling tough stains in the bathroom, grime in the kitchen, or dirt on your car, the Drillbrush Kit promises to make your cleaning tasks faster and easier. Get ready to say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a sparkling clean home with this game-changing tool. Number 5. Chemical Guys ACC 508 Drill Brush. Tired of scrubbing? This drill brush harnesses the power of your drill. It helps you deep clean and scrub away tough dirt and grime. This easy-to-use attachment works with any standard hex shaft drill. Just insert the steel shank and tighten. Then, you'll gain heavy-duty cleaning power. The stiff bristles are perfect for removing heavy grime and stains. It reaches deep into pores to remove tough dirt. Use it on showers, tubs, tiles, grout, and concrete. If you have heavily soiled surfaces, this brush is for you. It's ideal for bathrooms, garages, RVs, and more. This multi-surface drill brush is a great tool for restoring hard surfaces. What we like. This brush harnesses the power of your drill to tackle the toughest messes. It's perfect for removing stubborn stains and grime from various surfaces. If you have a garage, RV, or any hard-to-clean areas, this is the tool for you. It will make cleaning a breeze. What people say. As a professional detailer, I use this daily and it works so well at agitating carpet and getting them clean. I have a high RPM drill and it holds up perfectly fine. Also very big, so it covers lots of ground fast. This brush gets the work done fast with little to no effort. This drill brush really did save me a lot of time over a hand brush and saved me a lot of time and elbow grease. Number 4. Drill Brush Attachment 4-Piece Power Scrubber Set. Tired of spending hours scrubbing? This set will save you time and effort. It's designed to make cleaning easier. This set comes with 3 different brush types: soft, medium, and stiff. Each brush is designed for different cleaning tasks, so you can tackle any mess. The brushes are 4 inches in diameter, perfect for reaching various surfaces. The size is ideal for both small and large areas. The set features a 1/4-inch quick-change shaft. This makes it easy to attach the brushes to your drill. It's a simple and convenient design. These brushes have durable rotating nylon bristles. They are built to last and provide effective cleaning power. You can rely on them for tough jobs. Use it on showers, tubs, bathrooms, tile, grout, and even carpet. It's a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This set offers a variety of brushes for different cleaning needs. With soft, medium, and stiff brushes, it can handle various surfaces. If you are looking for a versatile set to tackle multiple cleaning tasks, this is a great choice. It will save you time and effort. What people say. The drill brush is a game changer for cleaning. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away grime but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. It has made cleaning so much easier and faster. Number 3. Drill Brush Power Scrubber Brush Set. Tired of spending hours cleaning? These drill-powered brushes will revolutionize your cleaning routine, making it faster and easier than ever before. Get ready to say goodbye to bathroom grime and hello to sparkling surfaces. This kit includes a 4-inch flat scrub brush, perfect for large surfaces. There's also a brush for contours and crevices, and a 2-inch detail brush for tight spaces. It's designed to replace your old cleaning tools. The set comes with soft white pads for delicate surfaces like windows and mirrors. The red pads are great for fiberglass and stainless steel, while the blue pads tackle tough stains on cookware and flooring. Use these attachments as a tile scrubber, shower door cleaner, or toilet scrubber. The 2-inch flat brush is perfect for tight corners, offering the same power in a compact design. The yellow brushes are ideal for cleaning tile, grout, and bathtubs. The scouring pads can be used on glass shower doors or as an alternative to a shower drill brush. All drill brush products come with a 90-day return policy. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund or replacement. Please note that a cordless drill is not included. What we like. This kit includes multiple brushes and scouring pads for comprehensive cleaning. It's designed to make bathroom cleaning faster and easier. If you like having options and want a complete cleaning solution, this set is ideal. It will transform your cleaning routine. What people say. The drill brush is a game changer for cleaning grout. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away dirt and grime, but gentle enough to not damage the surface. The different brush heads are great for getting into tight spaces and corners. Number 2. Drillbrush Outdoor Cleaning Brush. Need to clean large surfaces? This 5-inch stiff red hex outdoor scrub brush is perfect for any outdoor scrubbing task. It can even restore your gutters, turning your drill into a heavy-duty deck scrub brush. Save time and effort with this outdoor cleaner drill brush. This 5-inch flat hex red stiff brush is ideal for decks, patios, and concrete. It's also great as a house siding cleaning brush. Use your cordless drill to clean siding, concrete, and more. This drill brush attachment helps you reach hard-to-clean areas like gutters. The 5-inch flat hex shape makes it easy to tackle large cleaning tasks. These stiff red drill brush scrubbers are great for almost any outdoor cleaning task. They're perfect for removing tough grime on patios, siding, decks, and lawn equipment. Use them with your favorite cleaner for the best results. All drill brush products come with a 90-day return policy. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund or replacement. Please note that a cordless drill is not included. What we like. This brush is specifically designed for outdoor cleaning tasks. It's perfect for decks, siding, and concrete. If you are looking to tackle outdoor grime and restore your outdoor spaces, this is the perfect tool. It will make your outdoor cleaning a lot easier. What people say. The drill brush is a game changer for cleaning. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away grime, yet gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. It has made cleaning so much easier and faster. Number 1. Drillbrush Ultimate Bathroom Cleaning Set. This set includes the original Drillbrush power scrubber and multiple brush heads. It will change the way you clean your bathroom. It's designed to tackle every cleaning task. This tile grout cleaning tool is a must-have. Its medium stiffness bristles work great as a shower tile scrubber and soap scum remover. An extension handle is included to reach tough spaces. This set includes various brushes for cleaning. It's ideal as a scrub brush for showers, tiles, tubs, and toilets. This drill scrubber brush kit will outperform other cleaning tools. This grout cleaning brush set is ideal for all types of cleaning. You can even use it as a bath mat cleaner. This set is perfect for getting into every corner of your bathroom. All drill brush products have a 90-day return policy. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund or replacement. Please note that a cordless drill is not included. What we like. This ultimate set is designed for comprehensive bathroom cleaning. It includes various brushes and an extension handle for hard-to-reach areas. If you are looking for a complete bathroom cleaning solution, this set is perfect. It will make your bathroom sparkle. What people say. They work perfect for cleaning cloth seats, carpets, and everything else in my truck. Durable and not too stiff to rip up seats, but good enough to effectively clean. Makings deep cleaning a car after a long car ride with toddlers so much easier. It attaches and detaches very easily to a power drill and the bristles last a long time, easy to clean off as well. So far so good. Brushes seem to be of good quality and work well in tight spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.